Hey you guys, so I am going to do a video about how to create a meeting and invite two separate teams in that meeting. So one concern that came up was our splitting of our class periods into two separate groups, which then went into two separate teams in our Microsoft Teams account. And so this video will show you how to bring them together in one virtual meeting. So you want to go ahead and create your meeting. You can do that a few ways. You can do the drop down list here and click on schedule meeting. You can go over to your calendar here and you can click on new meeting. You can do the drop down here as well and schedule your meeting. Or right from your calendar, you can find the date and the time you want to have a meeting and schedule it that way. So I'm going to schedule a meeting for today, for example, at 6 o'clock. So I'll double click here to open up the meeting scheduler. So now I'm here. It asks me to do a title. So I'm going to title this fourth period class meeting. If I can spell it right. And then the most important part you need to know is adding required attendees. You want to make sure to add your groups. So your teams rather. So you can actually search this. You can do it by individual students. You can do it by groups or lists. I will do it by lists because we want everyone in that team, we can add it here. So I'm going to start typing our school name in here. I know that mine is A-N-M and there's a dash after that. I'm going to see if it populated, and it did. So here's one of my classes here. I'll click on my class to add them. And then I'll do it again to find my other class. I'll scroll down again to see if it's there. Here it is. And I'll add that class as well. Now both of my teams for my second period class is listed here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and finish setting this up. I can go and do repeated for, I know for me, I'll have the same class meeting every day. I can schedule it right now. That's when we can do it. You can do it by daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or you customize it. For the purpose of this video, I don't want to schedule a meeting with my students at 6 o'clock or 6:30 every night, or 6 o'clock every night, so I will not put this on repeat. You can also, I don't worry about location, it's online. And then I'll go down here in the meeting details because you can actually add links, attachments, documents here that students can view. And so once I do that, I go ahead and click on send. And now a email has gone out to my students that are in these two class periods. They're in this class period or in these two sections. So when I meet, it'll be pulling kids from both sections in that one class period.